sleeping with their children tied to their saris, staying hungry to avoid defecating in the open, and patrolling at night with sticks were some ways in which people braved the terror of wolves in Uttar Pradesh's Bahraich district.
भैया आपके बच्चे को कैसे उठा ले गया?
खटिया पर से उठा ले गया भैया, घूम के देखें तो भैया हमारा आया है।
Since 17th July 2024, wolves had killed 7 children and 1 adult and injured more than 50 people. More than 200 forest officials joined Operation Bhediya as the menace grew. The villagers said that 8 to 10 wolves prowled in the area and attacked as soon as they got a chance.
लोगों से कह रहे हैं घर के अंदर सो, घर का दरवाज़ा बंद करके कुंडी लगा के सो, खुले में शौच मत जाओ। रात में लाइट का इंतजाम वहाँ किया गया है। बिजली विभाग से कहा गया है कि उधर की लाइट में कटौती ना की जाए। इसके साथ ही साथ जनता से कहा गया है कि खुद पेट्रोलिंग करो, रात में चौकीदारी खुद करो। लोगों से कहा गया है कि टार्च और लाठी लेके चलो, रात बेरात अकेले मत जाओ।
Most of the villages where wolf attacks took place were situated on the banks of the Ghagra River. It was said that there was a possibility that the wolves' habitat had shrunk due to floods in the river, which is why they were venturing into human habitats. According to the New Indian Express, wolves had returned to this area after 20 years. In 2004, about 32 children were killed in attacks by wolves. Bahraich's divisional forest officer told BBC Hindi that wolves do not intend to kill children, but once they attack humans and become cannibals, they prefer humans as food and start preying on them instead of small animals. According to the Forest Department, an area of 35 kilometers was affected by wolf attacks.
विभाग भी लगातार प्रयास कर रहा है, उसमें टीम में सफलता भी मिली है और इसके साथ साथ जो बाकी बचे हैं उन पे भी ड्रोन से निगरानी की जा रही है।
Meanwhile, Mahsi MLA Sureshwar Singh accompanied villagers in patrolling with a gun.
बंदूक इसलिए लिए हुए हैं कि जब हम जनता के बीच में जाएंगे तो जो उनका मनोबल डाउन हो रहा है, वो मनोबल हमारी जनता का बढ़ेगा।
The Forest Department and administration have allocated a budget of 20 lakh rupees for the affected area. Barabanki Divisional Forest Officer Akash Deep Badwan told the media that wolves generally live in packs of 6 to 10 but avoid areas of larger animals such as elephants. Therefore, they are planning to use elephant dung and urine to create the illusion that elephants are present and keep wolf packs away from residential areas. The administration is adopting various tactics to save people from wolf attacks.
आप सभी जनता से सादर आग्रह है कि अपनी तथा अपने बच्चों की सुरक्षा को ध्यान में रखते हुए बच्चों को अपने से अलग न रखें, खेत जाते समय सावधानी बरतें तथा अपने साथ डंडा व छोटी कुल्हाड़ी अवश्य ले जाएं। रात में सोते समय घरों का दरवाजा बंद रखें।
According to a report of National Crime Records Bureau released on 4th December 2023, 1,510 people lost their lives or were injured in animal attacks in 2022. The highest number of cases were reported in Maharashtra at 225, followed by Uttar Pradesh at 182. In UP, orders were issued to shoot man-eating wolves at sight in Bahraich. Section 11 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 permits the killing of wild animals in certain cases when efforts to capture or sedate them don't work out.
यहाँ पे आतंक तो बहुत है, भेड़ियों का बहुत लोग डरे हुए हैं और वन विभाग की टीम आ रही है, हम लोग को समझा रही है कि आप लोग घर के अंदर रहिए, पल्ला दरवाजा बंद करके सोइए, मच्छरदानी लगा के सोइए ताकि आप लोग हमलों से बचते रहिए।